So sliding IF is going to do thing, but instead of doing a divide by 2, if you use divide by 4, then the frequencies will be far apart. Then we can say that somewhat the issue of the filtering can be reduced. So the burden on the filters can be reduced by taking a divide by 4 circuit. So if you use divide by 4, the frequency relationship was shown here. The second yellow frequency is going to be Fin by 5, so slightly lower than the first sliding IF architecture. So it is going to do some good for me at least. Unfortunately, what happens if you are going to use a divide by 4 circuits, the difference between the image and signal frequency will reduce. Thereby, the rejection of image and thermal noise, other things will start dominating. So what fraction I'm going to use? Whether I'm going to use a divide by 2, or I'm going to use a divide by 4, or I'm going to design my own divide by some integer. That depends on, you have to have a trade-off between accuracy and image rejection, and what application I'm going to use for my receiver. So that will determine how much you are going to divide by the corresponding number. So that is going to be decided by the user. So here we have seen two examples, divide by 2 and divide by 4, but ultimately they say the choice of the divide ratio is governed by the trade-off between quadrature accuracy and image rejection. So it depends on these parameters, and they leave it to the researchers or application developers to fix the divide by 2 ratio.